What up, fam? Today is a hurricane. Today, guys, we're supposed to have a hurricane, but I believe it's just going to be a tropical storm. All I can say is everyone who's in California, please be safe. Take this stuff seriously. Be safe. Take care of your family. And try not to freak out, you know? Just really, I would say for me personally, I'm going to pray for my family and I pray for my friends too. So if that's what you do, do that.
I can sabotage my life when I feel low. I lost my motivation to keep me racing on a narrow road. I can hear the voices from the devil, so let's go low. But is that a joke? Cause I know I'm broken, honestly. Sometimes I get tempted to just sell my soul, but I know I won't, cause the word he spoke, nothing on this earth could ever satisfy my soul. Put your hand in the sky if we pressing through the struggle now. Yeah, I'ma live.
Hey guys, so the rain is coming down a lot harder. It is now a tropical storm. Looks crazy. You guys seen right before this, there's the traffic on my main street is crazy because there's flooding on the freeway, and we might have some rivers coming into my house.
But even when I wanna cry, it's the Christ that I'm living for. Yeah, they don't know what he did, so my family could live in the presence of a king. And it's peaceful now, and it's peaceful now, and it's peaceful now. Yeah, and it's peaceful now, and it's peaceful now, and it's peaceful now. Yeah, and it's peaceful now, and it's peaceful now.
The only reason why I'm out here is because I want to get this on video to document it so I can go back like, yeah, this is when we had a tropical storm in California. But let's see if it gets worse. I'll get back to you guys in about an hour. Hey guys, so the rain is coming down really hard right now. There's a lot of puddles in our street. I'm really hoping that nobody goes out and plays and someone's drowning. Wait, what? Oh my god. Alright guys, it's been some time. It is still raining. But it's not like going crazy. So like the weather channel would say, it's gonna go insanely crazy. But as of right now, I'm gonna go inside, get ready for bed, and we'll see how it is in the morning. Good night, y'all. Alright, good morning, family. Today seems like the storm is over. A lot of things are dry over here. These puddles are drying up. The road doesn't have that river that you seen yesterday. I see one cloud. Other than that, it's a beautiful open blue sky. That's awesome. No winds. It's very beautiful this morning actually. So today, let's drive around and see the damage from this tropical storm from Hurricane Hillary. Let's go.
Now, when it's peaceful now, when it's peaceful now, yeah, and it's peaceful now, when it's peaceful now. Ooh, it is
Look at Mom.
Right now I am.
Alright guys, so everything seems pretty dried up. We went through some puddles as you can see, but we went out to Sawtooth Canyon. It's really nice out today. It's not too hot, not too cold. Brought the dog out and he's loving it. So let's keep looking at some other stuff. Come here, boy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Caleb, you gotta be careful. What did you catch?
Lizard.
Let me see. Where'd he go?
He's coming down.
Come on, Thor. Thor. Come on, Thor. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Run, 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 Thor. Run, Thor. Run, Thor. Run, Thor. Run.
I took a picture of you.
He jacked you.
Yeah, he runs fast.
Go, Thor, go. No. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? What? Kids are up there. Caleb's hanging out right here. And we just have this beautiful mountains.
Haters wanna try me, I put them on that prayer list. I know where the light is, can't be living careless. Praying for my enemies, praying for the lifeless. Praying for their vision to be open to who Christ is. In the midst of crisis, God is right there. Eyes flowing like the tigress. Life is not fair, but we gotta keep on fighting. Sitting in the chairs, kneeling in my room in silence. Your name I declare.